came here today and I'm like, you know what, today's the day. I should do it. I'm very excited to finally be committed now.
I just love the Rowan's energy. I can't wait to meet so many new people and bringing the gun just kind of match the energy that I'm feeling right now.
What made me want to commit is the vibes that everybody brought today, and like especially the staff. Everyone's so nice and it made me feel so welcome.
I'm very excited right now. Rowan was my second choice, but after coming to see the electrical engineering program, it became my first choice. And I was just so excited to actually be accepted and be able to come here, be able to ring the gong.
Just coming here and actually being on campus and seeing all the wonderful people that I'll be able to be with, it solidified it for me.
I just love how the vibe is with all the student life and everything there is to do, and I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun.
Feeling excited. I'm feeling very confident. I just feel like I belong here, honestly. Like, I already did the tours, and I'm really confident in coming in.
I feel amazing. I'm 100% committed, and I'm just honestly ready for fall.